The Food Service Exchange presents.
Healthcare food service professionals are dedicated to patient satisfaction. That dedication is evident in every meal service. A successful meal service is a well-timed and planned coordination of a hot base with hot food on a hot plate delivered in a timely manner. Cambro Healthcare offers the heat retention solution with the durable, efficient, and consistent performance of a Camduction complete heat system. The high-grade, durable stainless steel Camduction charger efficiently heats 20 bases at once in independent charging slots, and with the tray line running, a heated base is ready every 12 seconds. This revolutionary technology eliminates worries over spikes in voltage and eliminates the investment in backup equipment. Each Camduction base is made of solid composite material that will not chip, crack, or break. The watertight bases provide reliable performance through years of washing and heavy use. The heating element inside the base is precisely designed to keep the heat in the middle of the base and focuses on the greatest area of plate-to-base contact. It also makes the base rim safe to touch by food service staff and patients. Test results with real-world food show that a heated Camduction base, combined with properly heated plate, covered with Cambro Shoreline insulated dome, will hold foods at safe temperatures for 45 minutes or longer. The result of Cambro Healthcare's dedication to innovative, solutions-based products for healthcare food service operators is the Camduction Complete Heat System. For more information, visit www.cambro.com.